How to create e-commerce website in Shopify. If you want to try out Shopify for free, click on my link in the description below. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create and manage online stores. So first of all, let's head over to the shopify.com website, then click on Pricing on the top. Here, you can view all their available plans, starting with Basic, Shopify, Advanced, and Plus. You can also check out their monthly options. As you can see, the pricing differs a little bit. Now scroll up and click on Login on the top. If you don't have an account, just click on my link to get your free trial. So as you can see, we're now in the Shopify dashboard. Once you're here, on the left panel, you will get to see all of these options that you can use to help you get started. On the main screen, you can see the steps that you need to complete in order to get ready to sell. So let's head over to the left panel and click on Online Store. So once you're here on this page, you will get to see your current template right here. This is the default template. Now, if you scroll down, you will get to see the popular free themes that you can use. You can also visit the theme store by clicking on this option. And as you can see, we're now in the theme store. Scroll through and select whichever theme that you like. And on the left, you can also choose different industries. Most of these themes are paid, so keep that in mind. So scroll through and you can choose whichever one that you want. Now, let's go back to the previous page. Once you're here, click on Customize on the current theme option. After that, you will be redirected to the Theme Editor page. On this page, you can customize all the elements of your theme. And on the left side, you have the different sections of your theme. If you scroll down, you'll be able to view all the pages. Now, if you click on this section right here, which is the header, you'll be able to see all the options to customize on the right. You can start with logo position right here. And as you can see, the position is now in the middle. On the left, you can choose a logo from the options or upload your own. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. If you select any one of these, you'll be able to view all the free images in that category. As an example, I will choose one and click on Select on the bottom. After that, you will notice that the logo has changed on your theme. Now, let's go ahead and select this part. On the right, click on Select to add images. Here, you can upload image. Let's go to Explore Free Images. Here, you can go through the same categories as we saw before. After that, choose one and select a picture from the options. As you can see, the picture here has changed instantly. Now, let's select the text right here. You can edit the entire text by removing the writings on the right side and replacing it with something of your own. You can also use this Generate Text option. Then you have other options to customize it further. And on the bottom here, you can set the heading size from these options. As you can see, it's changing on the main screen in real time. If you're done editing, you can click on Save on the top right corner. But before that, scroll through your page and check if you want to make any changes or add additional stuff. You can click on Add Section on the left and then choose from any of these options, such as Image with Text. So as you can see, we now have this section added over here. You can move it around on the left by dragging it up and down. So as you can see, its position has changed. And on the right here, you can change the image from all of these options, the same way as we did before. So choose an image for this part. You can also upload one if you want. Then, you can customize the button as well. Just select it and you will get to see all of these options. On the right here, you can put in a link for your button. Here, you can choose from all of these options. You can also change the label name if you want. You can also change the outline style just like this. If you want to check out your web page in a different view, you can check it out in mobile view. For that, click on Mobile on the top right. And as you can see, you now have this in a mobile view. You can scroll through and check it out. This way, you can get an idea on how it will look on a mobile device. You can also make further changes in this format. So, let's change the image once again. Now, I will select this image right here. After that, you will notice it changed on the web page right away. Then click on Select on the bottom right corner. So once you're done with this part, go ahead and click on Save on the top right corner. And now our web page has been saved. Now let's go back and go to the product section on Shopify. Here, you can click on Add Product, or if you want to import, you can click on Import. Over here, put in your product details, starting with the title. So I will type in an example title for now. You can name it whatever that you want. After that, you need to put in your product description. You can also use AI to generate your product description. Just give it a prompt and click on Generate. As you can see, it's been generated instantly. If you like it, click on Keep. So the product description has been added. Then move on to Media. Click on Upload New. Then choose an image from your device and click on Open. As you can see, the image is now being uploaded and processed. Once it's done, you can set a category below. Then you have the pricing options. After that, we have cost per item, profit, and margin. Then you can customize the inventory options. After that, you can customize shipping options. Then you can add different variants for your products. Then you can set category meta fields from these options. So go through them and set them up according to your preference. You can set color, age group, and target gender. You can select multiple depending on your product. So once it's done, scroll up, and on this section, you will get to see product organization. You can fill in these details in order to keep your products organized. Once you're done, click on Save on the top. After that, the product will be added to your Shopify store. Just give it some time to load up. So as you can see, your first product has been added. So now, just give it a check to make sure everything is correct. After that, go to the Collections page on the left. From here, you can click on Create Collection on the top right. After that, fill in the details the same way you did before, and then your new collection will be created. You can set your collection type from manual or smart, and also add different products to your collection. On this image section, you can add different images for your collection. Then click on Done on the bottom. After that, the image will be added to your collection. So once you're done, click on Save on the top. Since we didn't fill in the details, it shows an error. So for now, let's go ahead and go to the online store section. Before that, we'll discard this collection. So once you're back in the store section, go ahead and click on Customize right here. Once you're here, scroll down and you'll be able to view your products listed here. And then, if you click on it, you'll be redirected to the product page. You can see all the options available for this product page. And also, you can customize it from here further if you want. If there are no changes to make, then go back and click on View Your Store over here. After that, you will get to see a preview of your actual store. This is what your customers will see. So that is exactly how to create e-commerce website in Shopify.